If you're planning the perfect trip to New York City, this guide has everything you need to experience the very best of the Big Apple. From skyline views and Broadway lights to bagels, pizza, and hidden gems, get ready to explore NYC like never before. Start your journey in Lower Manhattan, where history and city life blend beautifully. Visit the 9/11 Memorial and Museum, a powerful and emotional tribute located at the World Trade Center site. Right next door is One World Observatory, the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere. From the 102nd floor, you'll get panoramic views of the entire city, stretching as far as 50 miles on a clear day. A short walk away is Wall Street, home to the New York Stock Exchange and the iconic Charging Bull statue. And just beyond that is Battery Park, where you can catch a ferry to see the Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island. Pro tip: book an early morning time slot to avoid the crowds and take your time walking around Liberty Island. The museum inside the pedestal gives incredible insight into America's immigrant history. Next, head to Midtown Manhattan, the beating heart of the city. Times Square is electric day and night, filled with massive LED billboards, street performers, and buzzing energy. While you're here, step into a Broadway theater. If you don't want to pay full price, check the TKTS booth in Times Square for same-day discounted tickets. For art and architecture lovers, walk just 15 minutes north to visit Rockefeller Center. In the winter, the ice rink and Christmas tree are iconic, but year-round, you can head to the top of the Rock for one of the city's best skyline views, especially at sunset, when you can see the Empire State Building lit up in full color. Speaking of which, the Empire State Building is also a must. Built in 1931, this Art Deco masterpiece stands over 2,400 feet tall. Its 86th and 102nd floor observatories offer stunning views, especially at night. If you're short on time, choose Top of the Rock for a view that includes the Empire State Building itself. Now let's talk about Central Park. This massive green oasis covers over 840 acres. That's larger than Monaco. You can stroll through the Ramble, rent a bike, visit the Central Park Zoo, or take a boat ride at the Loeb Boathouse. Bethesda Terrace and Bow Bridge are especially picturesque and often featured in movies. Don't miss the view from Belvedere Castle, which offers panoramic scenes of the Great Lawn and Turtle Pond. On the Upper East Side, you'll find world-class museums. The Metropolitan Museum of Art has over 2 million pieces, from Egyptian mummies to Van Gogh paintings. The nearby Guggenheim, designed by Frank Lloyd Wright, is just as much about architecture as it is about art. Across the park, the American Museum of Natural History houses the iconic giant dinosaur skeletons and the breathtaking Hayden Planetarium. Let's talk about food, because no trip to New York is complete without eating your way through the boroughs. Start your day with a classic New York bagel. Try Russ and Daughters for lox and cream cheese, or Essa Bagel for something oversized and packed with flavor. For lunch, grab a slice of New York-style pizza. Joe's Pizza in Greenwich Village is a local institution, or try Prince Street Pizza in Soho for pepperoni squares with a cult following. Craving something sweet? Head to Dominique Ansel Bakery in Soho, home of the original cronut, a croissant donut hybrid that people line up for early in the morning. For dessert with a view, check out the High Line in Chelsea. This elevated park runs along an old railway line and offers stunning views of the Hudson River, public art installations, and food stalls. Right below is Chelsea Market, a foodie's paradise filled with tacos, ramen, donuts, lobster rolls, and more. For dinner, head to Chinatown or Little Italy. In Chinatown, try hand-pulled noodles from Xi'an Famous Foods or dumplings from Joe's Shanghai. In Little Italy, enjoy a pasta dinner at Ruby Rosa or a traditional cannoli from Ferrara Bakery, which has been around since 1892. If you're into rooftop views and nightlife, end your evening at a rooftop bar. 230 Fifth Avenue offers heated igloos in the winter and a direct view of the Empire State Building year-round. Alternatively, visit The Edge at Hudson Yards, the highest outdoor sky deck in the Western Hemisphere with a glass floor and angled glass walls. It's as thrilling as it is beautiful. Want a break from the crowds? Explore Brooklyn. Take the subway or walk across the Brooklyn Bridge. In Dumbo, you'll find some of the most Instagram-worthy skyline views, especially from Washington Street, with the Manhattan Bridge framed perfectly in the background. Grab coffee from Butler and enjoy pizza from Giuliana's or the legendary Grimaldi's. For a cultural touch, visit the Brooklyn Museum or stroll through the Brooklyn Botanic Garden. And don't miss Prospect Park, designed by the same minds behind Central Park. If you're there on a weekend, Smorgasburg is a must. It's the largest open-air food market in America. Another underrated gem is the Vessel at Hudson Yards, a honeycomb-like spiral staircase that offers cool city views. Right next door is the Shops at Hudson Yards and the entrance to the High Line. If you're into sports or concerts, check out events at Madison Square Garden or catch a Yankees game in the Bronx. The subway connects you easily to all 5 boroughs. Just grab a MetroCard or use the Omni Tap system with your phone or credit card. And finally, don't forget to just wander. Some of the best moments in New York happen between destinations. It could be a saxophone player in a subway tunnel, a mural down a random alley, or a food cart serving the best halal chicken you've ever tasted. New York is chaotic, inspiring, overwhelming, and unforgettable, and that's what makes it perfect. This is Trip and Sip, where travel meets truth.